Hi guys, I'm down leysdown today on the Isle of Sheppey, just trying to target a ray. Hopefully might find one or two. It's been a bit quiet as of late, haven't heard very many reports or anything like that. But this time last year I come down, pulled out 9, so I'm hoping that it gets this time of year all the females start coming back in, feed up before it gets too cold and they all go off into deeper water. Well, I'll let you know if I catch anything. Tight lines. Perfect conditions. Wind's off my back, sea's nice and calm. It's not too clear, which is a plus. Could do with it being a little bit more coloured. See how we go. Well, it's an hour after high tide. Just had this. She's £7.13. Lovely. Let's get her back in the water. Stick that over there. Oh, kill me, girl. Oh. What a lump. Put her back. Oh, started thinking I wasn't going to get anything. Ah, she's gone.